This 2010 Lexus S350 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. ES350 navigation system, rear view camera, 3.5 LV6 engine, automatic transmission, premium sound system, 6-disc CD changer, leather wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, power sliding sunroof, keyless and tri-keyless start, power exterior mirror, shaded exterior mirrors, power automatic windows, power door locks, Lexus alloy wheels, black exterior, tan leather interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Lexus ES350 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.